Paris is one of the world's most beautiful cities, and these 10 places should be on your list. From iconic landmarks to charming neighborhoods, Paris offers something unforgettable around every corner. So let's explore 10 incredible Paris destinations you absolutely shouldn't miss. Number 1 is the Eiffel Tower, the unmistakable symbol of Paris. It is absolutely breathtaking. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, masterpiece transformed the Paris skyline forever. From the ground, its enormous structure feels impressive, but the views from above are spectacular. You can see famous landmarks, elegant boulevards, and the Seine stretching across the city. For the most magical experience, visit around sunset and watch Paris glow beneath you. Number 2 is the Louvre, one of the world's most famous museums. Its spectacular palace architecture is almost as impressive as the treasures inside. Inside, you'll discover thousands of years of art, history, sculpture, and human creativity. The Louvre is home to masterpieces that have fascinated visitors for generations. Even if you have limited time, the Louvre courtyard is absolutely worth experiencing. Number 3 is Notre-Dame, one of Paris's most recognizable historic landmarks. Its Gothic architecture, dramatic towers, and incredible stone details tell centuries of Parisian history. The cathedral stands on Ile de la Cité, surrounded by some of the city's oldest streets. Walk beside the Seine and you'll discover some of the most beautiful views of Notre-Dame. Number 4 takes us to the Arc de Triomphe, standing proudly at the heart of Paris. This enormous arch honors French history and offers an unforgettable perspective over the city. From above, the perfectly aligned Champs-Élysées creates one of Paris's most impressive urban views. Then stroll along the Champs-Élysées for shopping, cafes, architecture, and classic Parisian atmosphere. Number 5 is Montmartre, a neighborhood famous for art, romance, and beautiful old streets. For generations, artists have gathered here, giving Montmartre its unique creative personality. Walk uphill through the winding streets, and you'll eventually reach the magnificent Sacré-Cœur Basilica. The view from these steps is one of the best free panoramas in Paris. Come near sunset, when the rooftops become golden and the city feels almost magical. Number 6 is the Seine River, the perfect way to experience Paris from a different perspective. A river cruise takes you past monuments, historic bridges, and beautiful riverside architecture. During the journey, Paris slowly unfolds around you from the water. For an unforgettable experience, take an evening cruise when the city lights begin to shine. Number 7 is Sainte-Chapelle, a hidden architectural treasure in the heart of Paris. Welcome to beautiful Paris. Inside, enormous stained glass windows transform sunlight into breathtaking color. The incredible glass panels tell biblical stories through thousands of intricate individual pieces. It's smaller than the Louvre, but its visual impact is absolutely extraordinary. Number 8 is Palais Garnier, one of the most glamorous buildings in Paris. The interior feels like a palace, filled with marble, gold, sculptures, and dramatic design. Every staircase, ceiling, and hallway reveals another spectacular architectural detail. If you love architecture and luxury, Palais Garnier deserves a place on your Paris itinerary. Wow. Number 9 is the Luxembourg Garden, a peaceful escape from the busy city. This elegant garden is perfect for a relaxing walk, surrounded by beautiful landscapes. You'll find fountains, sculptures, flowers, tree-lined paths, and classic French garden design. It's also a wonderful place to slow down and experience everyday Parisian life. And number 10 takes us just outside central Paris, to the legendary Palace of Versailles. Let's explore. Versailles was once the center of French royal power and remains spectacular today. Inside, the Hall of Mirrors showcases extraordinary chandeliers, mirrors, and royal decoration. Outside, enormous formal gardens stretch across the landscape, with fountains and elegant pathways. Give yourself several hours here. The palace and gardens are enormous. So there you have 10 unforgettable places that reveal the many sides of Paris. From world-famous monuments to quiet gardens, every destination offers a different Paris experience. And the best part is that Paris rewards you simply for exploring its streets. Take your time, look around, and let the city surprise you. Paris isn't just a destination, it's an experience you'll remember long after you leave. Which Paris place would you visit first? If you enjoyed this Paris adventure, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite place in Paris.